everyone, let's get to know about Windows 10. Our contents is first setting up a virtual box for Windows 10. Download Windows 10 ISO, create a new virtual machine, allocate RAM, create a virtual drive, locate Windows 10 ISO, launch the installer. Second, explore Windows 10. Create partitions in Windows 10. Manage Windows 10 desktop, explore Windows backup in Windows 10, maintaining Windows 10 ISO. Our problem statement is Ahmad just bought a laptop. He wants to use Windows 10 for the laptop. Help Ahmad to install Windows 10 by performing the following step through virtual machines and help him to explore Windows 10 environment.
Setting up a virtual box for Windows 10. First, virtual installation. Download Windows 10 ISO. Second, new VM. Create new virtual machine. Third, memory size. Allocate RAM. Fourth, virtual drive. Create virtual drive. Fifth, add ISO. Locate Windows 10 ISO. And the last one is installation. Launch installer.
So now for the next part, we're going to explore Windows 10. So there's a lot of categories that we're going to explore. So the first one will be create partition in Windows 10. So in order to create partition, the first thing that we need to do is open the File Explorer. And then we right click on this PC and then we click on Run. And then on Run, we type in this management.msc and then we click the sign OK. And then once in this management, we right click on the C partition that is given and then we click on shrink volume. And then for step 5, in shrink, enter the amount of space to shrink in megabyte. Then click on the shrink icon. So once the new partition is created, right click on it and click on new simple volume. So the sign will be located on the right side of your computer. And then for step 7, specify the volume size according to your desire, but make sure that it does not exceed the maximum given space. And then once we have entered the space that we want, we click on Next. And then for the next part, assign any letter to represent the new partition. So in here, we chose the letter E, and then we click on Next. And then for the next part, format the partition according to your preference, and then click on the icon Next. And then once we click on Next, make sure to click on Finish to completely set up the new partition. So this will be the overview on the new partition created in the disk management. So the new volume will be the new partition that is created, and the letter will represent the letter that we chose before this. And then for the final step, click Start to activate the newly created partition. And then the new partition will be available in the File Explorer once you are in this PC section.
The next part, we're gonna explore Manage Windows 10 Desktop. The first one is Start Menu. The first step is click on the Windows icon, then click Settings. Once in Setting, click on Personalization. Third, in Personalization, click Start on the left corner. Fourth, click on the Windows icon on the left corner to access the Start menu. Here, you may notice all the apps located on top of the search bar. Then, go back to Start in Settings and switch off Show Apps List in Start menu. Then, once again, click the Windows icon and all the apps will not be shown. You can clearly see the before and after result. The next one is using taskbar. First, Settings Personalization and go to the taskbar. Second, switch on the automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. And here you can see the result before and after. And the next one is Windows Explorer. First, click on the File Explorer. To explore the File Explorer, click on the download icon. The last one, to explore desktop, click on the desktop icon.
Now, hiding picture and photo names. First, right-click on the picture or file you want to hide, then click on Properties. Second, click on the hidden box. Next, click on View and click Hidden Items. Now that's it. Your picture has been hidden. E. Switching between windows. To switch between windows, click Alternate plus Tab. For the direction, you can use up, down, and left, right buttons. For the instruction, we have a video here. Now, setting up in installing missing drivers. First, right-click on the window icon and select Device Manager. Second, in Device Manager, click on Display Adapters and choose the available driver. Third, right-click on the driver and click on Update Driver. Then click on Browse My Computer for driver software. Click on Next. After that, click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then choose any of your desired driver for the installation process. Then click Next. Then finally, wait until the installation process is complete and your driver has been installed.
So for the next part, we're going to explore Windows Backup in Windows 10. So the first section that we're going to look through is Backup and Restore document. So first of all, open Settings and click on Update and Security. For the next part, click on the backup icon, which is located on the left side of your laptop or desktop, and click More Options to select the file to undergo backup. And then click on the System Image Backup, which is located on the bottom left corner. And then for the next part, click on the icon Setup Backup, which is located on the right side. And for the fifth step, click on the file you want to backup. So choose any of the drivers and then click on the Next button. And again, click the Next button for the backup to continue. And then for the eighth step, click the button Save Settings and Run Backup, which is located to the next to the Cancel button. And for the ninth step, wait until the backup is completed. So this is the overview from before, which is when the backup is in progress, and after, once the backup has completed.
Files from a backup. Once the backup is complete from the previous step, click Restore My File. Second, click Browse for folders. Choose any files or folder to perform backup and click Add Folder. Fourth, in this section, click in the original location to restore the chosen file or folder. And the last one, once the process is finished, click on the Finish button. Okay, for the last part is maintaining Windows 10 operating system. A. Disk cleanup. First step, Settings, then Disk PC, and right-click on the local disk. Then click on Properties. Second, once the properties has been opened, click the Disk Cleanup button. Third, once the disk cleanup is accessed, select the files to carry out the cleanup process, then click OK. Fourth, Click on Delete Files to continue the cleanup process. And lastly, wait until the cleanup process is completed. B. Defragmented. First, click the search bar and type in defragment and optimize drive. Second, choose your desired drive to carry out the process. Third, wait until the process is completed. And the last one is create Windows Defender. Click on Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection. Second, turn on Real-Time Protection button. Third, click the Yes button. And lastly, the Windows Defender has been created.
Thanks for watching, folks. I did a great job. So tell bye. Bye bye.